Now that our domain certificates and these things are properly configured, now let's go ahead with the REST API based enrollment. So the certificate profiles and identity profile is already in place. Now we also have created a convenient script so that our super admin token we have used can be used for with curl command for REST API. We are going to use this REST enrollment where this EJBCA host is coming from this load balanced IP address. So let's see and let's make sure everything is like spelled out correctly. Well, we are going to copy over this script from here, the scripts directory to in here, so that it can actually use a superadmin.p12 file. And we are going to update the certificate profile name and the identity profile name just to make sure everything is matching, so there is no spelling mistake or anything. And for the identity profile once more, so okay, we are good to go. Now let's use the command and let's make sure we are using the correct IP address. So okay, that was wrong. Okay, we are in wrong directory unfortunately, so we have to go up a little bit. Okay, let's fire up the command. We have issued one certificate and it went to the default domain management say issued certificate EJBCA test domain.ac, because that's the default access. We are just using the IP address. Let's do another one. Now let's jump back to the RA web. Let's see what are the certificates being issued. Issuer CA issued certificates. So we can see there are two certificates with the device one. Good. So now let's jump into the next step. So what are the things we should do now? So first thing I would say, we should set up a service so that the CRLs can be issued against the CS we have created. So let's do that. So CRL updater for all the CS we have, let's do it on daily basis and make sure it's up and running. Yeah, we're good to go. We can set up OCS responder, but that is where peer connections with the EJBC peering shines. So we can set up peers where RAs and the VAs can be connected to our CA. We can also use Helm chart for those things too. We just need to vary the parameters. For an example, we have to say what variant, and we can have Helm chart based deployment for those things too.